Hi friends, welcome to Atarashi Hinode by T3 Solutions. I am Tasim Susan. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to fragment a figure and then how to use connector, elbow, double arrow. Now I am going to insert a figure to do fragment. For that, click insert and then click shapes. Now I am going to choose up arrow. Now I am going to hold left mouse button and drag. Hold left mouse button. Here I am going to cut this figure into 4 pieces or fragments. For that, we have to cut it 3 times. If we want 5 pieces, we have to cut 4 times. That is, if we want n pieces, we have to cut this object n minus 1 times. So I'm now going to insert 3 rectangles. Now let me hold left mouse button and drag. I need this much only. Now I'm going to right click and then I'm going to copy this and then I'm going to paste this, and now I'm going to paste it again. Now let me put this rectangle here, so it will cut this much. So now I'm going to put this rectangle here, and then I'm going to put this rectangle here. Now I need to cut this into 4 pieces. For that, select all the objects. Let me select all of the objects. Now click Drawing Tools Format. Now click Merge Shapes. Now click Fragment. Now hold Shift key and then select all of the rectangles. Now delete all of it. Now I want to give different colors to these 3 pieces or fragments. So I'm going to select the first fragment and then I'm going to change the color to green. Now I'm going to select then other piece and I'm going to give the color yellow. Now I'm going to select the last piece, not the last piece, next piece. Now I'm going to select black. Now I'm going to teach you how to use connector, elbow, double arrow. So for that, click insert and then click shapes. Now click connector, elbow, double arrow. Before I insert connector, elbow, double arrow, I want to copy this drum to my slide. So right click and then paste. Now I'm going to put it here. Now I'm going to insert connector, elbow, double arrow. Now if you move your cursor on a figure, it will mark all the corners by putting a dot there. So now I am going to click this dot, then I am going to pull this connector elbow double arrow here, and then after you connect it to any object, and if you move the object, the arrow will follow it like this. You can see this orange dot here. If you hold left mouse button, you can adjust it like this by dragging it. Now our tutorial is finished. Next time I'll come with another topic. So bye.